How to fix Brawl Stars sound problem easy and quick. Welcome everybody. In this video I will show you how to fix this. Let's do it. Open the settings of your device, click on your apps option, search for Brawl Stars and click. Guys, here scroll down this list, click storage option, click clear cache. Back after that, click on force stop and click now OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update your Brawl Stars, and right now guys you just have to restart your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another tutorial.